Welcome students in Bishop Academy online classes for physical education chapter first, that is planning in sport, and we have to get discussed over knockout fixture. So for knockout fixture we have to always remember these important points. Among them, very first is number of matches always be n minus 1, where this n number represent the number of teams. Second important thing is standard number of team for knockout matches should be 2 to the power n, means to say 2 or 4 or 8 or 16 or 32 or so on. Number of round depend over the availability of this number, that is 2 to the power n. In 2 to the power n, this number n represents the number of rounds. Next term, that is if the number of teams are not in standard form, that is in the form of 2 to the power n, then we use imaginary teams, okay, and those teams have to play with these teams, get a short privilege that come to be known as bye. For tracing out bye, we have to subtract the number of teams from the value of standard nearest higher team number. Here we have to get discussed over the knockout fixture for 8 teams. Here first of all we have to complete some calculation. Here you find number of teams is 8, which is in standard form. So number of matches n minus 1, that is 7. Number of rounds as 8 could be written into the form of 2 to the power 3. That's why the number of round must be 3. Here you find that number is already in standard form, there is no need to calculate by, and as it is in standard form, so this is the format of standard team fixture, and we have just replace these teams A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H on this format. That is A have to play match with B in first round. In the same way C have to play with D in first round, E have to play with F in first round, and G have to play with H in first round. Those who get victory in these matches have to go in second round. In second round, these winners play game with the winner have to play the winner of this group, and the winner of these have to play with this group, and after that in third round the match is done for winner. Is that clear to you? So here number of matches should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, that has been given here. So I think this fixture get clear to you. Next term, for understanding it more clearly, we have to get discussed over the knockout fixture for 21 teams. Here we have to once again go through the calculation. Number of team is 21. So number of matches should be 21 minus 1, that is 20. Number of round is 5, as 21 is a little more than 16 and little less than 32. So we have to involve with the upper standard team. So here you find this is 32. So this standard form should be used for deciding the number of rounds. As here is the power is 5, then the number of rounds should be 5. Next important thing, number of teams are not in standard form, so we have to calculate by. By is the value of nearest higher 2 to the power n, and from there we have to minus the number of teams. The nearest higher value of 2 to the power n is 32 minus 21, and we get the number of byes 11. And for deciding or distributing these byes, we have to divide the teams in two parts, upper half and lower half. For upper half, we have to use formula n by 2 if the number of teams is even, and n plus 1 by 2 if the number of teams is odd. Always remember, here you find that number of team is 21, which is an odd number. That's why 21 plus 1 upon 2, that is 11. For lower half, once again you find that same formula. If the number of team is even, then n by 2, and if the number of team is odd, n minus 1 by 2. Here you find that number of team is odd. That's why 21 minus 1 by 2, you get 10. Okay. So in upper half, we have to use 11 teams, and in lower half, we should use 10 teams. Now you have to know about the distribution of byes. So here we arrange 21 teams: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. And here in upper half, we have to arrange 11 teams: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. In lower half, we should arrange how much team? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. And then we have to start to provide by as per this limit. First by given to the team at bottom, second by given to the team at the top, third by given at the team at the top of the lower half, and fourth by given to team at the bottom of upper half. And after that we have to reverse it continuously up to the all byes should be eliminated. So here you find that the number of byes is 11, which we get from subtracting 21 from 32. This is the number of by to which we have to arrange. So first by given to the team at the bottom, it is by first. Second by given to the team at the top, by 2. Third, upper team at the lower half, that is by 3. Fourth by lower team in the upper half, that is by 4. By 5 and the bottom, by 6 at the top, by 7 upper team in lower half, by 8 lower team at upper half, 9th the bottom, 10 on the top, 11 here to n. This is the number of by 11. So we distributed all these byes, and rest of the teams have to play with each other in first round. This is first round. In first round you find 1 match, 2 match, 3 match, 4 match and 5 match. In first round 5 matches played, and the winner gone to play in second round. In second round these teams have to play together. You have to take care of it that this line may be straight. If there is some deficiency, you have to complete it by adding some more places. After that, those team managed to win in second round, gone for third round. In third round, this team also gone to third round. Winner of this match is also gone to third round, third round, third round, third round, and gone to third round. In third round, these teams play together, and the winner of these matches gone for fourth round. They play in fourth round, and the winner gone for fifth round. That is the last round, and here you find the final match which decided winner. So it is the complete fixture. Number of matches you could calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and this is 20. And the number of matches should be n minus 1, that is 21 minus 1 is equal 20. This number you get here, and after that you could make it clear that your fixture is correct. Now you have to make some more fixture for various teams like 17 teams, 19 teams to understand it more clearly. Have a good day.